Now that you have a shipping plan, let's work on your shipments. In Seller Central, mouse over Inventory and select Manage FBA Shipments. That'll take you to the shipping queue. On the View Shipment page, you can get a preview of what your shipment looks like. You should see your pending shipment or shipments here. To get started on one, click Work on Shipment. Now you can work on the specifics of getting your product to the fulfillment center. The steps you'll need to follow will vary depending on whether you choose small parcel delivery, SPD, less than truckload, LTL, or full truckload, FTL, as a shipping method. LTL and FTL require that you make a delivery appointment. Whatever your shipping method, you'll get deeply discounted domestic shipping rates if you choose an Amazon-partnered carrier. But you're welcome to choose any carrier you'd like to pick up and deliver your products to the fulfillment center. Let's continue with small parcel delivery. Set the number of boxes you'll be shipping. If you're shipping more than one box, you'll need to enter the dimensions for each box. Also note, your boxes can't weigh more than 50 pounds. Click Calculate to get your estimated shipping charges. If they look okay, select the Terms checkbox and click Accept Charges. You can void the charges if you change your mind about the shipment. From there, you can print your box labels and complete your shipment. If you're shipping LTL or FTL, the steps are a little different. Set the number of boxes you'll be shipping, and the number of labels you need will be updated automatically. Click Print Box Labels, and you'll get the option to open or save a PDF with all the labels you need for the products on that page. When you're ready, just print on the appropriate label paper. For LTL and FTL, you'll be shipping pallets. There's a 150-pound minimum when you're using this method. You'll also need to input the height of each pallet. Width and depth are standard. For the shipping charges, input the date that your freight will be ready. If you know your freight class, that's helpful too, but not necessary. For insurance purposes, you'll want to include a declared value. Click Calculate to get your estimated shipping charges. If you agree, select the Terms checkbox and click Accept Charges. Again, you can void the charges if you change your mind about the shipment. Now you're ready to print your pallet labels. You'll get 4 labels per pallet, 1 for each side. For small parcel delivery, you get 2 per box. The FBA labels are used at the fulfillment center to verify the arrival and contents of pallets and boxes. When you move on to packing, be sure to follow our packing guidelines. Each box should contain products from a single shipment ID. Avoid putting products from different shipments in the same box. If you do, products destined for one fulfillment center may end up at another and delay the sale of your items. Also, as with product labels, don't put the FBA label on a corner, edge, or seam. To wrap things up, click Complete Shipment. That'll take you to the summary page. If you're using SPD with an Amazon-partnered carrier, you'll see tracking numbers for each of your boxes. If you used a different carrier, you'll need to upload your tracking numbers. If you have a ton of tracking numbers, you can upload them in bulk. If you're shipping LTL or FTL, you'll need the bill of lading, otherwise known as a BOL, and a freight number. If you use an Amazon-partnered carrier, a BOL is generated for you. If you use a different carrier, you'll need your own BOL. You can monitor your shipments on the summary page, tracking them to see when they arrive at the fulfillment center. You'll see updates here as your shipment is checked in, received, and reviewed. If there are problems with your shipment, you'll see them marked here, as well as in your shipping queue. When a shipment has a status of checked in, it means at least a portion of your shipment has arrived, but none of the boxes have been opened. When the fulfillment center opens the box and starts scanning the product labels, the status will change to Receiving. Once everything's checked in, stored, and ready for fulfillment, the status will change to Closed. That means your products are ready for purchase. And that's it for our Fulfillment by Amazon series. You should now have a basic understanding of how FBA works and how to prepare and ship your products to our fulfillment centers. Welcome to FBA.